To force restart your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 is fairly simple. What you need to do is simply go ahead and ensure that you have your fingers placed on both buttons on the watch itself, so the top one and the bottom ones, and then you're going to long press on both of these buttons until the screen goes dark. When the screen goes dark, you can let go of the buttons, wait for the word rebooting to appear, and then that's when you know that your watch has successfully gone through a forced restart. So, long press on both buttons, like so. Continue pressing. Ignore the power off menu that does appear. It's not really of use right now. Continue pressing until the screen goes black, and then you can now let go of both buttons. Now, all you need to do is simply wait patiently, probably around like 5 to 10 seconds, until you see the word rebooting. When it does appear on your watch face, then you can know you've successfully restarted your watch. So you can see here rebooting has finally appeared, and then the Samsung logo should follow it after, and the watch will finish off the restart. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.